Hey everybody, thinking I've got this here, just waiting to make sure I pop up. And when I do, we will go forward with this and hope that it worked. At least it did when I was testing, so. I'm just making sure it's going live before I start launching into the forecast here. There we go, I see myself. Okay, so let's say a little prayer here. Temperatures ranging from the low 40s to the low 50s. We already saw the sky camera if you were tuned in earlier. I didn't want to risk going back to it and starting over, so let's hope the space bar actually works this time. Oh my goodness, what a nice sight that was. Rain showers moving in from the west. Now these are light to moderate over Alexandria right now, but you can see that heavier thrust of rain coming up through Beauregard and southwestern Allen Parish. This is going to be in town here in the next couple of hours. It's just going to spread across the area through the afternoon. Now, there is no severe threat with this locally. Maybe south of I-10 we get a severe storm out of this, but up in our area it looks like just a nice, steady, soaking rainfall here with temperatures in the upper 40s. I think we're going to see highs most likely today pushing 50, but it's going to be in the 40s most of the day with rain. Some of that rainfall will be heavy. We could see 1 to 2 inches of rain. I think that's what most of us end up seeing here throughout the day. Rain showers and storms on Futurecast, that shows up there. This is 10 a.m. You can see it's a quick hitter, moves through, but it's impressive. By about 5 p.m., maybe a little earlier, this gets out of here. So we are going to see the rain exit quickly, but it's going to be pretty intense as it comes down. And then it moves on to the east. That system gets out of here, and we're setting the table for our next big system that's going to bring us the threat for some severe weather. And we've been talking about this one for several days now. Future temperatures, 39 in Shreveport at 10 a.m., 49 in Alexandria. You can see we barely moved today. This model wants to get us up to around 52. I think we stay close to 50, and those cooler temperatures behind the front off in northwest Louisiana. Overnight tonight, we cool off, but I think we stay generally above freezing. It might dip below in a few spots there around Toledo Bend, but I think for most of us, we're in the mid-30s tonight, maybe some upper 30s. And then we move into the Monday severe threat, and this has actually been nudged a little bit to the south, so we actually do have a decent chance to see some severe weather, but as I was saying yesterday in the text update, this is going to increase the further south you go, because we're not going to see that real deep, rich moisture moving into the area, like into the northern parts. We're not going to see it moving up across I-20. So the further south you go, the better chance for severe weather. There's tons of wind shear out of this system. So we're looking at Monday afternoon and Monday evening for that potential. Now, as I said, 1 to 2 inches of rain today. I think that system actually brings us another inch, inch and a half. So I think this might be a little low for our total between the two systems. I'm thinking more like 2 to 3 inches area wide, which is pretty close here, but you can see that they have us right at 2 inches in Alexandria. But you can see the heaviest rain out of this is going to be to our southeast, but we're still going to see a good soaking rain across the area. Now, looking at our 7-day, which I'll get out of the way of, 100% chance of rain today, 100% chance of rain Monday. So we have two virtual certainties there to get some solid rainfall. Again, a severe threat on Monday. And then our next one, these are coming in like every 3 days. I think by late Thursday into Friday, we have another chance for some showers and perhaps some thunderstorms Thursday night into Friday. So it is going to remain active. This is going to help with our drought stuff and all that. Oh, got to turn my sound off. And looking into the future, looking well into the future here, the 8 to 14 day outlook, this is from January 13th to the 19th. We have below normal temperatures, and you can see that cold air really pooling off to the north. That is going to be centered to our north, and then we're just going to see kind of pieces of cold air move to the south, and just how far those come and how strong they are and how much they interact with the moisture is going to show us if we have any sort of chance for anything wintry. As I've been saying every day for the last couple of weeks, while the pattern favors some sort of distant chance of this happening, we're not seeing any real credible threats for snow around the area. But I might see some snowflakes this evening, and if I do, trust me, I'm going to be posting video of that up here in Missouri. I already saw some decent snow going in Branson this morning, so I'm hoping to at least see some flakes. All right, I'm not going live in the morning. We're going to be driving back to Louisiana tomorrow, so I'm going to let Tom handle things. I'll probably do a little text update in the morning, and then perhaps, I don't know. You know what? I don't want to commit to a live in the evening, so I might just wait until Sunday on this one. We'll figure it out. Tom will be live at some point tomorrow as well, and we'll keep you informed on the upcoming weather and that severe threat on